Welcome back to the Telegram mini app channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new mini app concept, a wheel game built on the SUI network. This game isn't just fun. It introduces the utility of tokens created on the SUI network, adding a layer of blockchain-powered thrill to the experience. So, buckle up as we walk you through how this works and how you can get started. Let's go. The wheel game is simple yet thrilling. Players bid their tokens created on the SUI network for a chance to spin the wheel and win big. The twist? Every game involves a bit of strategy and luck, powered by the transparency of blockchain technology. Here's how it works, step by step. 1. Join the game. Open the Telegram mini app and select the wheel game. 2. Place your bid. Players enter a bid amount. For example, 100 tokens. 3. Gas fee. A small gas fee is required to power the transaction on the SUI network. 4. Spin the wheel. Once the bids are in, the wheel spins. The winner is selected anonymously via a blockchain-based randomizer. 5. Win rewards. The lucky winner takes home the pooled tokens, minus a small fee for the platform. Let's talk about what makes this game unique. 1. Fairness. The winner is selected through an anonymous and transparent blockchain algorithm. 2. Utility. The tokens created on the SUI network aren't just for holding. They power the game, create engagement, and allow owners to explore new ways of using their tokens. 3. Low entry barrier. With bids starting as low as 1/10 of the total pot, anyone can participate. 4. Excitement. The spinning wheel adds a layer of suspense that keeps you on the edge of your seat. Now, let me show you how to get started. Follow these simple steps. 1. Open the Telegram mini app and search for wheel game. 2. Connect your wallet to load your tokens created on the SUI network. 3. Choose your bid amount and confirm your gas fee payment. 4. Watch the wheel spin and cross your fingers. And that's how you play the wheel game using tokens created on the SUI network. It's fun, fast, and a great way to explore new ways to use your tokens. So, what are you waiting for? Try it out now and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more exciting mini app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on the Telegram mini app channel. Happy spinning!